Welcome to my vlog. So today it's another cooking video. So today I'm going to be doing some saltfish fritters, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is the saltfish. I'm going to rinse it off and then I'm going to put it to boil off to get rid of the excess salt. Here are the ingredients. We have some onions, some green bell pepper, some tomatoes and scallion. Here is the saltfish that I've already washed, boiled and picked apart. I'm gonna use some flour and some black pepper. Alright, so I've added some water to the flour, so just gonna stir it around to kind of get out the lumps. I don't want it too thick or too runny. I'm going to add the seasonings. Next up, I'm going to add the saltfish. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Then just gonna mix this and combine everything together. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some oil to the pot. So I'm adding 2 at a time. Don't want the pot to be crowded. And just allow it to get golden on one side and to be thoroughly fried before we flip it on the other side. Alright, come on, come closer. Come closer. Let's take a look.